Hi there, I'm Pam. I started Instagram. Yay! I want to practice English spells, so maybe I don't use AI applications. So I'm going to post no specialty photos in Japan and and I'm going to post short diary on Instagram stories. So account ID is same YouTube and TikTok. Pam Japan. Please look at me. No. Please look at my account. Yes. Recently, do you know? Recently, in Japan, we have to into look American barbecue photos on X, Twitter, X. So American barbecue is so dynamic. So I hope I eat this big meat. So I want to go to the barbecue in this spring. So please tell me your recommend barbecue menu. But Japanese barbecue color is small than American size. So I can't grill big steak. So, but I want to eat it. So change the talk. March and April, I'm so busy. So I get up at 6 a.m. So work start at 8:30 a.m. Work time 8 a.m. for 11 p.m. So I go back to home. So I take the bath, and so I get up. I go to the bed. So next day, I get up 6 a.m. So work, sleep, so hard. I have not free time. I want to drinking wine, learning English, watching movies. So what do you do on free time? But today I get up at 3:30 a.m. Because I watched a football game on TV. So today's game is Japan versus England. So always Japanese likes England football. So respect. So we are happy because we are happy. So because battles to England. Yes, that's all for today. I can't speak English well. See you next videos. Bye. Thank you.